Good Friday morning to everybody out there. Welcome to another cruise news video. And today we have some good cruise news and we have some bad cruise news. We're going to get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. Alright, let's get the bad cruise news out of the way, get the bad stuff out of the way, and end on a good note. So, unfortunately, Carnival Cruise Lines has been forced to cancel their cruise on November the 28th from Long Beach, California to Hawaii on board the Carnival Miracle. So, after working with the authorities there in Hawaii, Carnival agreed to all of the necessary health and safety protocols to dock there, but in the end, Hawaii just was not ready to receive cruise ships, didn't want them docking there, and unfortunately Carnival has had to cancel that cruise. Guests who were booked on that cruise have been notified of the cancellation and have been advised of their compensation options, whether they're going to future cruise credit or get themselves a refund. And if you have not been yet notified, definitely check your email. You should have something in there from Carnival Cruise Lines about this cancellation. And we all know that a canceled cruise, it just honestly sucks. Looking forward to your vacation, you've planned for it probably for at least a year, only to find that it's canceled mere weeks before going on your sailing. Yeah, it just sucks. And I always feel bad for people on canceled cruises because it's a terrible feeling. It honestly is just a terrible feeling. But we do have some good cruise news today. Let's start with those stories there. Carnival has announced the sailing dates for the last 3 Carnival cruise ships to bring the total fleet here in the United States up to 100%. The Carnival Sensation will be sailing from Mobile, Alabama, starting on March the 5th. The Carnival Ecstasy will start sailing from Jacksonville, Florida, on March the 7th, and the Carnival Paradise will be sailing from Tampa, Florida on March the 12th. And like I said, once the Carnival Paradise does resume sailing on March the 12th, that will bring the entire U.S. Carnival fleet up to 100%, and all ships will be sailing again here in the United States. And finally, Disney Cruise Lines has finalized a 15-year agreement to start sailing one of their cruise ships out of Port Everglades in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. They will be sailing out of Cruise Terminal number 4. Now, Disney Cruise Lines has not announced which cruise ship will specifically be sailing from Port Everglades, but whatever ship it is, it should begin sailing from there in 2023. They're probably waiting to see what's going to happen and where they're going to locate their 2 new Trident-class vessels that are due out here after the Disney Wish. And of course, the Disney Wish is going to be sailing from Port Canaveral, so it's possible one of their new vessels could be going to Port Everglades, or possibly either the Disney Fantasy or the Disney Dream. As soon as Disney announces specifically which ship is going there, we will of course be letting you guys know. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed this morning's cruise news. If you have, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day, and we will see you out on the high seas.